Hey everyone, I'm Lavina. Do you know someone who makes amazing dishes in the kitchen? Oh, yes, that's your mother. So let's make this easy greeting card for your mother to thank her for her tender care. Here I'm taking A3 size sheet which is marked on 20 centimeter. I'm using a ruler and a cutter to trim out my sheet. After this, I'm gonna divide 42 centimeter into 3 parts to make it a foldable card. This is how an apron card front looks like. And now I'm going to cut the paper where I have mentioned cross signs. If you don't have cutter and cutting mat, you can also use scissors. Here I am going to paste a sheet which is 19.6 centimeter by 13.6 centimeter. After this, I am going to tie this card with a red color ribbon. Here I am using color box designer paper for the front of my apron card. Now I am going to trace this yellow paper apron on this beautiful designer sheet. Here I already made a pocket. I just cut out 4 centimeter circle and made a pocket from that. And after pasting, I'm just gonna put some flowers in the pocket and a little spoon also in this. As you can see, I'm having some flowers and leaves. Inside the card, you can add pictures or write messages for your mother, and yes, decorate it accordingly to your choice. Now I am going to make a bow which is 18 centimeter by 2 centimeter, and I'm going to paste it on the back side, as you can see this. If you like this tutorial, do like and share. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.